We are still tracking some strong storms moving into the area. In fact, we still have that severe thunderstorm warning in place, but the National Weather Service has trimmed it down, but still including part of our area, Hillsdale and Williams counties, in effect about 5 o'clock this evening. So this is looking to expire within the next 9 minutes. But you can definitely see some very heavy rain, lightning. We're also tracking wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour within this line right here, and hail almost 1 inch in diameter. So a very powerful line moving through. In fact, let's widen out the picture to show you exactly who could be seeing this system within the next several minutes and hours. Waldron right around 5:03. You can see Dover right around 5:19. Dundee right around 5:49. So this system is going to be moving through the area within the next several hours, but eventually clearing up later on tonight. So as far as the rest of the area, most of us fairly quiet, but if you're in Bryant's, Defiance, down towards Van Wert, just be ready. Some very heavy rain moving into your neighborhood within the next several minutes. But if you're commuting from Toledo, BG, Tiffin, Upper Sandusky, you have plenty of time. It's not going to be moving into your area until later on tonight. In fact, let's talk about the winds and also the hour-by-hour forecast. Along with the very heavy rain, we're also tracking some very strong winds around 40 to 50 miles an hour. But as far as your commute home this evening, the further west you are, the earlier those showers will develop. So if you're commuting from Adrian around 6 o'clock, from Wauseon around 6 o'clock, from Defiance around 6 o'clock, be prepared for that line of showers to be right on top of you. But if you're in Lucas County right around 6, you should be fine. But looking off to your west, you'll be seeing some very gray skies. Here's 7 o'clock from Monroe, Toledo, Bowling Green, just west of Findlay. Again, very heavy rain and those strong winds. And it's going to be straight line winds as well, where we're really not seeing anything as far as rotation goes. And then by 9 o'clock, if you're in Port Clinton, Fremont, Tiffin, just east of Upper Sandusky, that's when those showers will be in your area. But then after that, we're done with the rain. Still could have that damp feel, but the severity will calm down. But still seeing that potential for some strong winds throughout this evening. But once that front moves through, the winds will calm down as well. You can see fast forward throughout the rest of the evening. Here's 6, 7, 8 o'clock. They are slowly calming down to around 20 to even 25 miles an hour. So eventually we'll get there. We're really not tracking anything as far as tornadoes go. The chance is very, very slow, but our biggest concern will be the heavy rain and those straight line winds. But then after that, we're done with the rain for the rest of the week. We're seeing that mixture of sunshine and clouds, and because that cold front that we're seeing right now, it'll bring in some of the cooler air for Wednesday as temperatures will dip back down to the upper 40s. The 50s return both Thursday and Friday, and beautiful for the Mud Hens home opener. Lots of sunshine and temperatures in the upper 50s. We are tracking another round of rain for Saturday, but Easter Sunday looking beautiful. Lots of sunshine back in the upper 50s, and kicking off that first week of April, seeing some more rain and temperatures back in the 50s. That's a look at your extended forecast.